Is it time to buy or sell Global X Lithium ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into Global X Lithium ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of June 12, 2025, our system has classified the Global X Lithium ETF as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.89. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has recorded a loss of 2.37%. This amounts to an average daily loss of -0.47% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The ETF is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline ahead. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 2.43% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from -17.44% to +3.31%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected decline of around 4.10%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -17.92% to +24.21% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $30.13 and $45.60. Our latest daily update for the Global X Lithium ETF includes the headline: Global X Lithium ETF upgraded from strong sell candidate to sell candidate after the Wednesday trading session. The Global X Lithium ETF price increased by approximately 0.246% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, rising from $36.62 to $36.71. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.42% with a low of $36.35 and a high of $36.87. While the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still down by 1.24% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 126,000 shares, with a total of 129,000 shares traded for approximately $4.72 million. It's important to note that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $49.12, while the lowest price was $31.44. Currently, the price is 25.26% or $12.41 below the 52-week high, and 62.21% or $60.42 below the all-time high reached on the 22nd of November, 2021. When the price hit $97.13. Recent developments surrounding LIT highlight a nuanced landscape for lithium investments. On the 21st of May, Rio Tinto and Codelco announced a substantial joint venture worth $900 million to develop a high-grade lithium project in Chile, signaling a strategic commitment to strengthening their positions amidst current market fluctuations. While this partnership underscores long-term growth potential, it also reflects a broader trend of stabilizing yet historically low lithium prices due to oversupply, particularly from aggressive explorations in China. Despite recent project cancellations, the market remains characterized by excessive supply, hindering price recovery in the short term. Investors are being advised to approach the Global X Lithium and Battery Tech Exchange-Traded Fund with caution as it continues to grapple with sluggish performance, having fallen over 12% year-to-date. Looking ahead, there are indications that lithium deficits may emerge as early as 2025, suggesting a potential rebound as demand from cleaner energy sectors, including electric vehicles, reinforces the industry's long-term importance. This scenario positions the LIT Exchange-Traded Fund as a possible long-term investment opportunity, particularly if the oversupply issue resolves. In summary, while LIT's current performance reflects the challenges of market volatility and price stagnation, long-term investors might find value as the industry moves towards a structural recovery in response to shifting demand dynamics. The following signals have been identified for the Global X Lithium Exchange Traded Fund. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume fell during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the near-term outlook. The Global X Lithium ETF holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $37.24 and $37.44. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and so far it has declined by 6.45%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 106 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 110 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for the Global X Lithium ETF. The Global X Lithium ETF finds support from accumulated volume at $34.92. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, the ETF exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be quite low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by 515 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is approximately 1.42%. In the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.28%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the Global X Lithium Exchange Traded Fund. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the Global X Lithium Exchange Traded Fund is at $36.91. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, the Global X Lithium Exchange Traded Fund encounters its first support level at $34.92. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Global X Lithium Exchange-Traded Fund a good buy? Global X Lithium holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and declining trend, indicating that we believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our evaluation of this exchange-traded fund from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of June, we anticipate that Global X Lithium Exchange Traded Fund will open lower by approximately 6.83 cents and commence trading at $36.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.